Alright guys, so I'm done with the engine. Came out pretty nice. So I'm working on this right now. And the problem I have with this, right in there, it's a little rubber around the spark plug. I cannot take out the spark plug. I replaced the other spark plugs. I also have to do wires on this one. And I have to do a radiator on it, plus belt from my buddy Carlos. So I want to start with the plugs. I want to see if I can find a string or something I can pull that out, put the spark plug out, and then I go from there. The last thing I'm going to do is the belt. I'm going to do the radiator first, and then I'll move on like that. Maybe get this car out of here today, guys. So this was the culprit. Did not let me take that spark plug off. That's off now. So I can jump on and take the spark plug out. And it was cracked. Look. Wash. See it? It was completely cracked. So, got it done. Let me put the new one in. So we put it in an aftermarket radiator from eBay. I presume. I like the radiator cap though. I'm not gonna lie. That shit was gangster right there. I like that. But a little bit of radiator for the Civic. I take the fan, put it right here. These right here are the beautiful picture right there. So I'm not going to tell them right now because I want to know how if they go this way, they're going to stay up, or they're going to this, you know what I mean? So I'll leave it like that for now. I like that. I'm going to keep those. So I'm going to start taking the radiator apart right now, and we'll go from there, see what's going on. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm about to disconnect these hoses right here, pinch them, trying to lose transmission fluid, disconnect that one so you can drain down there, and go for that. Just give me a minute. I'm going to pop the camera for a minute. Alright guys, so you can saw, put the radiator on, I'm letting the fluid run through the system, you let all the bubbles out, let the car go to temperature, rise on the temperature, or the spark plugs are done, tune up is done. I gotta do the belts, so I want to deal with this first. Let it cool down, eat something, cool down, and come back and finish that up. Not bad for, I think it was 400 bucks. I mean, he got a lot of dents from the right here, looking from a north TV. Hey guys, alright, so I finished the radiator, everything good. I drove it, perfect. Now I'm working on the belts. So I had to take the tensioner out because somebody decided to put too much pressure on this nut. Look how it is. I gotta find one now, but that's not least of my worries. I'm gonna add the belt alternate, the alternator belt, loosen it up, take it out, put a new one in, match everything back up, and I'm done with this car. So I'm not gonna take no more time out of you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my subscribers. Stay for my next video because we're gonna have to put all these motor back. I got all these goodies to install back into the motor. I'm gonna clean this up, paint it. I got all these goodies I gotta be clean and paint, and the alternator, motor mounts, starter gotta be clean, definitely clean, and hoses and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I would. You guys see you later. And oh, before I go, I'll order the performing gasket. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. If you had done this and you're watching my video, you have an S2000, if you put that white heavy set gasket on the car, it didn't perform, I'm about to order mine. I'm gonna give you a week. Hit the comment below, let me know. And this is my transmission right here. She's ready to go. I'm just gonna clean it up, hit it up with some same color that hit the engine bay, I mean the motor, and ready to go back in the motor and put it back in the S2000. I'm gonna send this to Petticoat again. I'm gonna get the little cover here, but the motor came out pretty nice. There you go, the sun is hitting it. I got all the accessories I gotta put on, everything, the starter. I'm gonna go get my new oil filter, put my hoses back, clean them up. And the rear main seal doesn't look that bad. Let me touch it. So I don't know if I want to change it or not. So got Gene out. See you guys later. I'm gonna finish doing these belts. You know guys how to do them. If not, just hit me below and I'll let you guys know. Peace out guys. From Honda House. Garage. Peace out guys, love you guys, thank you for all the subscribers. Give me more subscribers, the more I love you guys.
Peace out, guys.